In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop SAAS application website builder for HTML template. Let's look at some of the features. So some of the features, admin dashboard features, you can add users, assign plans to the user, add plans, add specific template to a plan, add number of sites allowed within a plan, create template, edit template, update template, delete template, preview template, manage payment settings, manage email settings, manage profile, manage site logo, and favicon. That's for the features of the admin dashboard. We have it for the user dashboard as well. So now, example of this script is PixelPages. Example of this script is PixelPages. You can download this script using our affiliate link in the description. After downloading the script, I go straight to my cPanel. Then from my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For my file manager, I go to my subdomain I want to use for these testing purposes, which is this. I have already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. Extract files. Okay, I click on close. Use the IAM link in the description to IAM to help you develop or install your script. Next, I open this. I select all. I'm moving to the root folder. Move files. Next, I click on open level. After that, next I will go back to my cPanel to create my database. This time I'm going to the database. If this video is helpful, please buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. So let me name my database as this. Okay, let me put okay. Now this is my database name. I click on create database. I've successfully created my database. Next, I click on go back. After creating my database, what next? I'm going to create my user for my database. So let me scroll down to create the user. Okay, add new user. Let me name it as this. Next, I click on create user. I've successfully created my user. I click on go back. After creating my user and I've created the database, next I'm going to add user to the database. Let me scroll down to add user to the database. And make sure I select the one I just created. Here is it. Pages. Here is it. And I click on add. Next, I'm going to give all privileges. Scroll down to make changes. I successfully given all privileges to the user. So let me scroll up. I want to copy my database username now. Copy. Go back to my file manager application, config. I'm going to edit this database.php, edit. So let me scroll down. Okay, this is what I'm calling. Database username. That's my database name. Okay, then next I click on save changes. Now success. So next I will go back to my cPanel again. cPanel. Okay, let me go to my cPanel through this place. Now I will go back to my database again. For this time around, I'm going to PHP my admin. Then I go to my database, which is this. I click on it. Then next I click on the import because I want to import my demo database. Choose file. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I select my database, which is this. Open. Scroll down to click on import. Import successful. So let me go back to my file manager again. This time around I want to copy my subdomain name. Here is it. Control A, Control copy, open a new tab, paste it there, then click on enter. So I can now log in. And I click on login now. So I've successfully installed my script. Please like, share and subscribe. Use the IAM link in the description to help you install, develop your app. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.